Really? Your father dies and this is what work sends you?
10 years, Tyler. I've worked here for 10 years. I brought in 80% of our clients. I grew this company from a 6-man operation into a 60-person machine. My father died, man. And on the day of his memorial, you sent me pears, which I'm allergic to. And you know this.
Randall.
And along with the pears that could have killed me, you sent a card with a 1-line Hallmark message and a typed-out signature from the team. And so here it is, Tyler. I quit.
Hold on.
No hard feelings, man. Peace.